Delhi. The name itself echoes with centuries of history, a crucible where empires rose and fell, leaving behind their indelible mark. But beyond the monuments, beyond the history books, Delhi is a living, breathing entity, the heart of India, a city of dreams, ambitions, and a vibrant, ever-evolving spirit. To understand New Delhi, we must first journey back to its ancient roots. This land has witnessed the rise and fall of at least 7 major cities, each contributing to the magnificent tapestry we see today. From the legendary Indraprasth of the Mahabharata to the fortified cities of the Delhi Sultanate and the grandeur of the Mughal Empire, Delhi has always been a coveted prize. But the New Delhi truly emerged with the British Raj. In 1911, King George V declared Delhi the new capital of British India, shifting it from Calcutta. This decision set in motion one of the most ambitious urban planning projects of its time, designed to be a symbol of imperial power. The task of designing this new capital fell to two brilliant British architects, Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. Their vision was to create a monumental city, blending classical European styles with subtle Indian influences. Wide avenues, grand buildings, and sprawling gardens were meticulously planned. They conceived a city of power, order, and beauty. The iconic India Gate, commemorating Indian soldiers, and the majestic Rashtrapati Bhavan, once the Viceroy's house, stand as testaments to their enduring legacy. This segment of Delhi, often referred to as Lutyens' Delhi, remains the administrative heart of the nation. With India's independence in 1947, New Delhi transitioned from an imperial capital to the proud capital of a sovereign nation. It became the stage for momentous events, the hosting of the tricolour, the drafting of the constitution, and the birth of a vibrant democracy. But New Delhi isn't just about politics and power. It's a magnet for millions seeking opportunity. The city expanded rapidly, absorbing diverse cultures and communities, transforming into a bustling metropolis. From Connaught Place, a colonial-era commercial hub, to the planned residential areas, New Delhi represents modern India's aspirations. Beyond its official veneer, New Delhi throbs with an incredible cultural pulse. It's a melting pot of traditions, languages, and artistic expressions. From classical dance and music performances to contemporary art galleries, the city offers a rich cultural feast. And then, there's the food. Delhi's culinary scene is legendary. From the succulent kebabs and rich curries of Old Delhi to the street food delights like chaat, parathas, and jalebis, to upscale international cuisine, the city is a paradise for foodies. Festivals here are celebrated with unparalleled fervor, Diwali illuminating every corner, Eid bringing joyous gatherings, and Durga Puja showcasing artistic grandeur. New Delhi truly embraces its multi-faith identity. Despite its urban density, New Delhi is surprisingly green. It boasts numerous gardens and parks, providing much-needed respite and recreation for its residents. Places like Lodhi Garden, Garden of Five Senses, and the Mughal Gardens offer serene escapes. The city also continues to evolve with modern marvels. The Delhi Metro, a lifeline for millions, has transformed commuting. Iconic structures like the Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple stand as symbols of architectural innovation and spiritual devotion. Like any megacity, New Delhi faces its share of challenges from pollution and traffic to managing its ever-growing population. Yet, what truly defines this city is the indomitable spirit of its people, the Dilliwalas. They are resilient, resourceful, and possess a unique charm. The bustling markets, the vibrant street life, the easy banter, these are the threads that weave the social fabric of New Delhi, making it a truly unique place. New Delhi is more than just a capital, it's a living archive, a dynamic canvas where ancient history meets modern ambition. It's a city of contradictions and harmony, of chaos and serenity. Every street, every monument, every face tells a story. It's a city that continuously reinvents itself, always welcoming, always vibrant. So, come, explore its depths, soak in its atmosphere, and discover your own story in this magnificent saga of empires and dreams. New Delhi awaits.